Hi, I'm Jerry Gibbs, and today I'd like to look at how we apply dehumidifiers to a flooded house. So our tent has been set up and sealed now. It's sealed tightly against the walls, and the dehumidifier is set up to recirculate that air. So here we're using the DH3500, and that's a powerful dehumidifier. So that's producing 400 cubic meters of air per hour going into the tent, recirculating round and coming back out of the tent. And then to drive the wheel that's inside the machine to absorb the water, it's producing 125 cubic meters of air per hour, which is coming in from an unaffected area through the machine to be heated up, drive the water off the wheel, and then we have the humid air outlet, which we're going to discharge out to an open area. So it's a really, really powerful system, and because it's completely sealed, it doesn't really matter what's going on in the environment around it. People come and go, doors open and shut, kettles are on, pasta's boiling on the stove. The humidity in the kitchen could be quite high, but that's not going to affect what's going on in the tent. As it's a sealed environment, the dry air is totally focused on that tent. This tent enclosure, 2.5 cubic meters per hour. The process air coming through here at 400 cubic meters of air per hour says that we're going to do 160 air changes in that tent. That's a phenomenal amount, and that's going to dry very efficiently indeed.